Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming drivers and I/O so the signal path exists. Open Options Audio Settings and choose an ASIO driver. ASIO reduces latency and avoids Windows audio conflicts. Make sure sample rate matches your interface and project. Once done, assign a mixer track, enable the correct input channel, and click the disk icon to ARM for recording. This initial alignment prevents silence and choppy recordings by ensuring FL Studio can talk directly to your audio hardware. Next, focus on routing and monitoring so what you record is clean. Route the armed input to a dedicated mixer insert and remove heavy real-time effects that introduce latency or clip the signal. Enable input monitoring to hear yourself. If you get echo, use direct monitoring on your interface instead. Adjust the ASIO buffer size, lower for recording, higher for mixing, so you balance latency against dropouts. Make sure the track is record-enabled and recording source matches your physical jack or channel. Now record a short test take to confirm everything works. Press record in the transport, perform, then stop and inspect the waveform and level meters for clean peaks without clipping. Save takes and use Edison or playlist comping to combine best parts. If you still see silence or noise, recheck cables, microphone gain, and that the interface is powered. Make sure Windows Audio Exclusive Mode is off and sample rates match. If problems persist, restart FL Studio and the audio interface to reset driver states.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.